YouTube, what it is, man? What it is? PK, Porsche, PK Networks. So I found this dope ass fucking custom built building where it looks like a mural, but it ain't even a mural. It's just these hella little fucking white fucking little. I don't know. I don't know. They're like some kind of puffballs or something. Yeah, y'all see that? Come on, let's cross the street. But yeah, look at that. You can see that. Those are some kind of. Those are little pegs or something on there. Yeah, so those are some kind of little pegs or something. But yeah, I had to show y'all that. Look at that. Crazy, right? Let me see if I can back up and get y'all a better view, a bigger view. PK, Porsche, PK Networks, man. This mural was made with a lot of pegs. Y'all remember to like and subscribe.